Hi, it's Kim from Tim and Cad. I'm going to show you literal step-by-step directions for how to get from Manhattan to Papermill Playhouse in Millburn, New Jersey. We were lucky enough to find tickets to the Great Gatsby world premiere with Jeremy Jordan and Eva Noblezada. All we had to do was get there. First, download the New Jersey Transit app and click Rail. Select the origin. You can scroll or type it in the search bar. We're starting in Penn Station, Manhattan, New York. Then we're going to find our destination, which is Millburn, New Jersey. Just click, and we're going to buy two round-trip adult tickets. Proceed to checkout, and you can notice there's many different payment options from there. From Penn Station, you want to find the New Jersey Terminal. You might see signs for things like the LIRR or the Amtrak. Look for New Jersey and follow the signs. Once you're in the right terminal, you want to wait around at one of the screens to actually find your track. It looks like this. So the second line, train 6635 from Morristown to Dover, is the one we want. And it says it's on track 3. I had to kind of wait a little bit to find that information. I walked down to the track, double checked the sign for the train, and got on. The seating is open, and this one is a double-decker train. Once you're on, you want to activate your ticket. You don't want to do this too early because there's a time limit to how long your tickets actually last once you activate them, and they do come by to scan your ticket. As you're on the train, you want to make sure you're listening for the stops and get off at the Millburn station. This is a quick video of what it looks like on the outside of the train. There's the building to the station. We're going to go off on the right, go down the steps, and from here, there are some signs that can guide you. So we're turning right, crossing the road, and then basically we have two more sort of streets to go on. This is a little pathway. You can see it's really pleasant in the fall. I imagine it might be a little slippery in the wintertime or when it's raining, and it's also very narrow. So we happen to be the only ones walking on this path right now. But afterwards, coming back to the train, obviously we're going to do a reverse directions, and it was a little more crowded. So there are some soccer fields and different things. And then I got to this part, which has a little bridge and a creek running through it. So I slowed this down just so you could see some of the fall foliage. So we're almost there. We have just this little bit coming up. You can see the cars ahead and some of the signage. We'll turn right, and this is the actual street that the Papermill Playhouse is on. We're going to keep going. You can kind of see it coming up. You see again some of the signage and advertisements for upcoming shows, some parking lots, and we have arrived. You can see the clock coming up with the Great Gatsby sign in front, and there's the iconic building, and finally stepping into the doors. I hope this helps you the next time you find yourself going to the Papermill Playhouse in Millburn, New Jersey. Thanks for watching. Like our video and subscribe to our channel, Tim and Cad.